Can you make money with G2.com? Are you interested in getting rewarded for providing software reviews? Have you used or have you bought a software recently? And if you have, then perhaps you can help someone to make a proper buying decision, and in exchange you get paid for providing a review. Now, does that sound exciting? If it does, then you might be interested in signing up with G2.com, a website that rewards people for providing reviews. There are some drawbacks to using this platform. As a user, it's very easy to use, but when it comes to getting paid, that is a totally different story, and I'm going to show with you exactly how G2.com works so that you can make an informed decision. So before we get started, let's just take a quick look at what the G2.com website is all about. So here we are at G2.com, where you go for software, find the right software and services based on 2.1 million real reviews. These are the most popular software categories, and these are the reviews on each of the software programs. And if you want to write a review, then you would come to this part here where it says write a review, and you can help over 5 million monthly buyers on G2 make the right choice for their business. And then there's a testimonial where this gentleman said, it has been a great place for me to both find and review software. It's actually been fun to see my reviews go up and get marked helpful. So what exactly is G2.com all about? Well, it is home to thousands of software program reviews, or whether it covers email marketing, IT, or sales. They have a number of different categories or industries, and if you are a buyer, whatever product you need for your business, there's a very, very good chance that G2.com will have reviews on it from verified users. In fact, on their website, like I've showed you, they claim to have 2.1 million reviews. So basically, in a nutshell, G2.com is a site that has a bunch of software reviews for interested buyers, and at the same time existing users have the opportunity to provide their opinion of the software, and in exchange they get rewarded from G2.com. Now, when you are signing up for G2.com, you can't just use your normal email address to sign up. They actually need a business email to join. So it shows you from that point of view that they're very picky on who they actually select to review these particular programs. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the process of actually filling out a review on their website. So to first of all get started, you need to obviously have some experience with using a particular software. There is also a possibility that not every software might be listed on their website. So I went along and I tried out the platform. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to click on the button where it says write review, which is that button that I showed you earlier on. And then what happens, this will come up once you've signed up. Hi Rupesh, let's find the software and services that you use at work. You can pick from various categories. I went along with choosing sales, but unfortunately I couldn't see the particular product that I wanted to review, and I typed it in the search bar, and the product I want to review is called System.io. Now this is basically an email marketing software that I use in my business, and if you want to check that out, then I have put a review of that right above here in this video. And so I couldn't find it, so I managed to find it by manually search, and I went along and I done the questionnaire, or I completed the survey, and I'm going to show you how quick that process was. Okay, so here we are. First I gave the rating of System.io. Then the next part here is what it is that I particularly like about System.io. And yeah, I'm just filling in something here so that you can see it's really easy to use the platform, and the support is really good at any time of the day. If I have a problem, I can simply reach out to their support team. Let's just put awesome. Then I fill in the part of what do you dislike about System.io. It does not have a variety when it comes to selecting templates. For what purposes do you use System.io? And I use it for email marketing. What problems is System.io solving? And then I fill in that part there as well. And then what was the organization size when working with System.io? It's just myself only, and I am a current user of System.io. And confirm that you are a current user of System.io by uploading a screenshot showing that you logged into the system. So what I done is I just took a screenshot of the membership area, and as you can see, I just loaded it here. And there's some more questions that come: how long you've been using it, what level of experience do you have with System.io, how frequently do you use it, every day, do you integrate it with any other software? And I said no. Are you willing to be a reference for this software product or service? So I selected yes, I am willing to be a reference. Then I understand and agree that my review complies with their terms and conditions. I all understand that it's subject to their policy. And are you affiliated? Yes, I am affiliated with this particular product, and allow my review to show my name and face in the G2 community. And that's basically the entire review. Okay, so here we are in the membership area of G2.com, and this is the back office. This is where I signed up on June the 12th. And as you can see, here is the review that went live June the 12th. Well, I'm not sure it's really live because according to them, it will take 3 days for the moderation team to check out your review. If everything is fine, then they will only accept your review. Now, you won't get paid immediately, of course. And the thing is, when you click on the rewards section, they don't even tell you what sort of rewards that you qualify for. So whether it's going to be gift cards, whether it's going to be cash. However, from my research, I learned that folks have been getting paid $10 per survey review, or maybe an Amazon gift card. So I'm just going to have to wait for their support team to get back to me and keep checking up the membership area to see if I've earned any rewards. Alright, so let us look at some of the pros of G2.com. Is that it's free to register with. It's very easy to use it. As you have seen, it doesn't take very long to complete a survey, and there's a number of software programs that you can review. The cons, of course, you need to have a business email to register with them. You need to have some experience with a particular software. Maybe you need to buy it, or you must have at least used it at some point in order for you to provide a review. There's no clarity on how much they're going to be paying you, and it's not a passive income earning opportunity, and you have to wait 3 days for them to get back to you to tell you whether or not your review has been approved. Have you ever wondered to yourself, how actually does G2.com make money? What's in it for them? So let me show you something. So G2.com is an affiliate for the software programs that you and I review. So for instance, if you had to click on one of the categories, here's Salesforce Sales Cloud and HubSpot Sales Hub, and G2.com is an affiliate for all of these software companies. As you can see, if a buyer comes and if a buyer reads these reviews, once they visit it and they browse through the review, and if they're happy with these reviews, they'll probably just click on learn more. It will take them to the official vendor site, and that's where they will buy that particular software. Now, when the buyer buys that particular software, G2 earns an affiliate commission. In other words, your review is actually helping them to make money. Okay, so now we have come to the end of this video. Is G2.com legit? I do believe it is a legit platform. right? However, I also do believe that they take their business very seriously. As you can see, they only want folks who have a business email address. That shows you that they only want software reviews from folks who are verified users. So just by looking at that, G2.com is definitely not for everyone. It's only for those folks who have already bought, used, or even tested some of the softwares that are listed on their website. I also believe that for someone who is providing a review, that in my opinion, I don't think somebody can earn that much of money from doing it. So not only is G2.com not for everyone, but it's also not a site where you can make a sustainable income. I mean, at the end of the day, the site is catering for buyers, helping buyers to make an informed decision. And as I've showed you, that G2.com, they're actually making the lion's share of the entire business transaction. So the bottom line is that G2.com is okay for someone who wants to earn a few dollars here and there, or wants to score some gift cards. But if you're looking at making a real sustainable income online, I do not think this is the right website for you. In fact, what G2.com is doing is totally legit. It's called affiliate marketing. What they're basically doing is they are actually helping the buyer make an informed decision about a particular product, and once the buyer buys, they are scoring a commission, and that is called affiliate marketing. As I said, it's a legit business model, and the good news is that you can do it as well. You can also make money from promoting products online. In fact, I'm doing the same thing by my YouTube channel, even by my website. And you can also do it. It's a totally newbie-friendly business model. And you don't have to just stick to YouTube, and you don't have to stick to your blog posts. You can maybe use other social media channels. You can use email marketing. You can even use paid advertising. There's a lot of different avenues you can go. And if that's something that you're interested in checking out, then feel free to check out my #1 recommendation. Just click on the link that is in the video description, and it will take you to a blog post that will talk about the training platform that has helped me, and I know that if you follow what they're teaching, they can help you as well. Having said it, that concludes the review of G2.com. I hope that it has helped you out. It's given you a much more clearer picture of what the whole platform is all about. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it down below this video. And if you found it helpful, please share this video with your family and friends so that it can help them as well. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can chat in my next video. And I wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.